Welcome back to Sugar Allen's Travel Channel.
So you came to Sugar Allen for lunch in the Windjammer on Quantum of the Seas. You came to the right place because we're hungry. We're going to show you what they got, and we're going to give you our review of what we think about it. So let's go get this food tour going.
Now.
Okay,
I'm going to give you guys a peek into the Windjammer and the delicious food. Yeah. Yes, washy. Okay, we're going to start right here. This is the bread station. So this is where you can get all your cheese rolls, whatever type of bread you like. You see they have a really nice selection of bread. Okay. All right, so our next stop is going to be Favorites. And again, this as soon as you walk into the Windjammer, it's right here to the left.
Sorry.
No, you're okay. Okay, so over here you have some salad cups. Some of those have shrimp in it. And I'm going to take you around on the bar side right here. And this is what they call fresh from the garden. Boiled eggs, sliced pork, chicken, carrots, broccoli. It's a nice little assortment. Let's see, we have some black olives, we have onion, cucumbers, tomatoes, and then here's your different types. We have romaine salad, and then they have the garden salad. Okay. Then I will take you guys over here to the soup station. Vegetable soup. Okay, so it's clam chowder and vegetable soup. All right, so let's move on a little bit more. This is your sandwich bar. Spinach and red onion sandwich. Parma ham. This one right here says contain nuts, and if you guys follow us, Sugar's allergic to nuts, so that's very good that they label things like that. Okay, here we go. Rainbow sprinkle cupcakes. The green ones are the one I call the Grinch. They look so good. Red velvet cupcakes. Vanilla cupcakes. And let's see what we have here. It looks like a peanut brittle. Okay, we have dark chocolate nut bar, and it does contain nuts. White chocolate nugget bar. So both of those do have peanuts. Yeah, it looks good. Hi. Okay. Yeah, so they have the pan seared, and then you can get your lemon butter sauce, Cadilla chicken, roasted potatoes, honey garlic chicken. They have lamb stew with vegetables, gravy, and mashed potatoes. Okay, so that is your gluten-free station. Alrighty, so let's see here. Mashed potatoes, gravy, lamb stew, chef's vegetables, honey garlic chicken, and some more roasted potatoes. So if you can see, it's pretty much the same things when you're at the international flavors. They just have several booths. Okay, and then they have a stir-fry station. I'm going to take you over there, which is Suge's favorite. With all the different choices to choose from on a cruise, it seemed like I keep getting the stir-fry. I'm like hooked on it. And today they're doing the pasta. It's over here at the Favorites. And then right here, they cook it right in front of you. You just tell them everything you want on it. All right. Now we're going to visit the kids' corner. And this is where you can get the hot dogs, French fries, chicken strips, hamburger or cheeseburgers. And you just grab the bun that you want. French fries too, if I didn't name those already. So all this is over here in the kids' corner. I don't know why they call it the kids' corner, because I would definitely eat this, and Alan. But it helps the kids find exactly what they want. Okay. And then right here is the things to put on your burgers. Cheese, lettuce, onions. I see some jalapenos. Well, I guess some people may use jalapenos on their burgers. Okay, then I'm going to take you over here. Now I'm heading back towards the entrance. And then you have a beverage station. There is one on both sides, so you don't have to worry about that. And this is where you get your free juices that's included with the price of your cruise. They have a bar right here, which is not included, but you can get you a drink. And you can also get your teas. The teas are complimentary. And your coffee.
You want some coffee, miss?
Oh, no, thank you. All right, here's the soda machine. They have lots of flavors in there. And again, you do need to have the soda package for this one right here. Okay, and right here at the very front of the Windjammer, you have where you can get your Starbucks. So don't think that you can't get your Starbucks if you're on this cruise and that's what you love. You can get espresso, cappuccinos, just everything. And again, this is an additional cost, but it is here in the Windjammer.
All right, Suge, what'd you find? Wow, that looks hot.
Excuse me, did you say hot?
It is.
Good Lord, that looks hot.
You guys are probably thinking this, so I'm going to say it for you. Why don't she eat a stir fry when she's on a cruise ship with all the different food? It's my favorite. It is.
If they have tacos, she eats tacos.
That's true, I will. So anyway, with this stir fry, I have the noodles, carrots, corn, and some vegetables, broccoli too.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see. It's hot.
Ooh, man.
Right offhand, it needs salt and pepper.
Not to mention it's bland, there's poor texture, there's no depth.
But other than that, it's good. So I'm gonna fix it up.
Wow.
My salt, lots of. But other than that, so that first bite, it was cool, but it needs something like that coming out of that one.
Yeah, I see it.
Okay.
Except the spot where your fork was,
Right.
you didn't get no salt
Let's see
there.
if that helped.
All right. Man, that was hot.
Okay, let's try this again. That definitely helped.
Okay.
Okay. Pasta time.
All right, I'm back. So I got me a little salad with some egg. It said pork up there. Kind of looked like chicken. I've never had pork on a salad. Well, pork is like ham, isn't it?
Well, mister, is it or isn't it?
I
Yeah.
don't know. I didn't say ham. And it looked like chicken. Whatever. It's some meat to put on my salad. Got some roasted potatoes. Got some mashed potatoes. And I got some chicken. And you know what? I think I'm going to skip the middleman. And I'm going to put a little salt on there. Like Suge.
Stop copying me.
Should love her salt. You guys know that.
Yeah, especially on the rim of your adult beverage. All right. Let's check temperature, flavor. Okay, yeah, it's nice and it's not hot. It's nice and warm. It's a good temperature. Good flavor. You guys know I love mashed potatoes.
Didn't know that.
Man, I love potatoes in general. Mash is my favorite. She'll get home, she'll put in green onions and cheese and mix it all up. Somebody was recommending, what else do they say to put in there? Darn it. One of our subscribers had said to put something else in there. I'll have to look back in the comments. I don't remember what it was because I wanted to try that.
That looks a little dark for you. Alan does not eat dark meat.
No, and before she started filming, I cut this off with a knife. I don't eat it off the bone. I cut it off with a knife. Don't judge me.
Don't judge me.
I'm weird. I know. It's pretty good. It's not real hot. It's lukewarm, but it's still got good flavor to it. And yeah, Suge's right. I don't generally eat dark meat. I just like the white meat. You don't see me eat a salad too often, but I like salads. I just don't get all the healthy stuff like Suge does. I get the good flavor stuff. Yeah, I can't tell what kind of meat that is really with the ranch and stuff, but it's good. Lettuce is fresh. Ranch dressing has a good flavor to it. Let's not forget that. I'm not going to over dramatize
I think
it.
something's wrong with the camera.
I wasn't going to over dramatize it. Now she's making me do it. Pow, 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 pow. Drinking champions. Drinking champions. Let's do a taste test on it. What do I rate this? Man, Dr. Pepper is just good. All right, so yeah, it's tasty. I'm gonna finish polishing this off. I saw some interesting looking desserts up there, maybe some cupcakes. I'm gonna check that out in a minute.
I like the little green Grinch.
I am back. All right, so let's see. This one they called a red velvet. This one they called vanilla. I don't know why, because it's like a bluish green. This one's Oreo. That's gonna be my favorite. And this one they called it sprinkles.
They should call that one Mr. Grinch.
Mr. Grinch?
Mr. Grinch. They can call it My Stomach Does Magic.
No using your magic this time!
I'm gonna shove this whole thing in my mouth. Again, don't judge me.
That would take me like 5 bites to eat that.
Yeah, that's good. I love all this frosting. You know, she knocked that off of there.
Yes.
Yeah, it's moist. The frosting's good. Yeah, delicious. This was all they had up there for dessert, and they had some kind of a little crunch. It wasn't a brownie. It was thinner than a brownie. I don't know what it was. Had nuts and stuff on there. Almost looked like peanut brittle or something, but it wasn't peanut brittle.
Well, what was it?
But anyhow, that was the selection for desserts. But yeah, these are good. Showed you gonna get some cupcakes?
I might. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna check it out.
Okay, I'll probably eat the icing off of there. Man,
That's a big mound of ice.
I'm not gonna stick that whole thing in my mouth.
Is the frosting sweet?
Yeah, it's not super sweet. It's just mildly sweet.
That's the Oreo cookie,
Yeah.
right? Okay.
Look at that. Pow, pow. The rest of that's going in one shot.
I bet you guys didn't know that was one of Alan's hidden talents. He knows magic.
My stomach knows magic. But by looking at me, you guys probably figured that already. It makes the food disappear, but it doesn't make the calories disappear. So, yep, those are a hit. I like them. All right, Shug, give it to me straight.
Give it to you. No, I'll have him edit that part.
It must have been pretty good.
Yeah, well, it's my stir fry. So I did have the stir fry today with the noodles because last night I was a little disappointed. So in this one I had the chicken and my typical vegetables, broccoli, carrots. I don't even know what else. I told him put a little bit of everything. It was good. So that was it for me. I didn't do dessert because I'm full. So it's a hit for the stir fry.
It's a hit for the stir
Yes.
fry.
Would you say it was a hit for you?
It was pretty good.
Besides the dark meat?
Besides the dark meat. Yeah, the dark meat, it was pretty good still. So mashed potatoes, they were a hit. They're always a hit. Well, most of the time they're a hit. So yeah, mashed potatoes were good. They were hot. The roasted potatoes, they were good. They were pretty warm. Chicken was kind of lukewarm. It was okay. The dessert, oh, buddy.
Did you guys see that Mr. Grinch she was eating?
Mr. Grinch!
That was so cute.
Oh, God. They were all cute. They were just a cavity in my heart. Not in my teeth, hopefully. So, yeah, it was good. I liked it. What you guys think of the selection that they had from the tour? Put in the comments below what you would get for lunch. They probably have the same kind of stuff for dinner, but let us know what you would eat. So I want to thank you guys for watching another food adventure and review. We appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. We want to thank our members again. We really appreciate what you guys do for us. It means a lot to us. Victoria Jackson, Misbehaving, and we will see you guys on our next adventure.